What this is a minimalist style life jacket. If you're like me and you know what, you do a lot of fishing or just kind of being around water in general, whether you're on a boat or walking on a shoreline, this is something I recommend everyone have with them at all times. What it is, it's basically a shoulder strap life vest that has an inflation valve on it that you pull, and it uses CO2 to inflate it. And it came in this nice little bag right here. Let me open up the bag and show you what you get. You get a little set of instructions right here. There's two different styles of this. There's a belt worn one, and this is the over the shoulder one right here. Pretty simple. So there's a latching mechanism right here in the front, a buckle. When you throw it over your shoulders, you're gonna latch that buckle, and then it's going to hold into place. And then if you need to inflate the vest, you're going to pull this red knob down, and the CO2 cartridge will blow up the vest, and you'll have a full-on vest that you can throw around you, and then you're good to go. And then after, when you need to put a new cartridge in here, you guys see that? All that does is screw in right there, and it uses the 33-gram CO2 cartridges, so pretty easy to replace those. And you can see over here on this side, it actually has a whistle that comes with it, so you guys have a built-in whistle. This blow valve will be able to blow it up just in case the CO2 cartridge fails, or to get it that extra that the CO2 doesn't do. A lot of places require you to have a whistle with you in general, and to blow it up, you pull that off. So you see that? You can use it just like this. When you got it all the way out, this opens up. It has reflections on it right there, so if I don't want to use the CO2, y'all see how much flotation is on that? That is an impressive amount of flotation. To deflate it, you just push down on that. That's the deflation on this thing, so when it's fully inflated, if you want to like deflate it back down, do like that. If you need to blow it up more, that thing is super tight. Then you just put the little cap on there. You are good to go. Yeah, everybody, I think this is a great option for anyone that just has a kayak or their canoe, or they're on the shoreline in a boat or anything like that, and they want to have a great minimalist life vest. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the 33M life vest. See you all in the next video.